Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Microsoft Teams on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and search Microsoft Teams. After click on Microsoft Teams and click on install. So Microsoft Teams is installed according to your internet connection. After install app showing on your app screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Microsoft Teams on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.